Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. While you are not at your house and out for some recreation or any other thing, it becomes easy for the thieves and burglars to case your house for the quick plunders. Technology is now used for home security purposes. But that doesn't make the security responsibilities to stop the bad guys from breaking into your home. The technology and the security gadgets help you to scare the burglars to some extent and to keep your house safe. There could be several types of home security gadgets which can be used to prevent your house from such incidents and alert you in case any burglar tries to enter your house. Pressure doormat. A pressure doormat could also prove to be a good home security gadget. When someone is standing near your door at the doormat, it sends you an alert on your device so that you may get warned. Digital doormats are available in market at reasonable prices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.